This is Jonathan with GutterGuards Direct. It is February 5th, 2022. Today I'm out at the garage. Behind me is the south side of the garage, and you can see that we've had a decent amount of snow. I think 5 to 6 inches of snow in the last couple of days. You can see that sitting on top of the gutters in the back. There's not much to report at this point, other than we have had some small icicles form, mostly on the north side gutters where they don't get quite as much sun. We seem to have more icicles forming on the edge of the gutter guards in some but not all cases. And here on the south side, maybe a little bit of icicle activity, but really not much. Nothing to climb up there and really talk about at this point, but I thought I'd just take a minute to show you what is going on here behind us, and I will check back as the weather changes or we start to see some more thawing, which should begin happening over the next day or two. We'd appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe buttons, and be sure to ding the bell and you'll be notified the next time we upload a video.